Welcome back to KC Talks EV, and yes, I'm finally in the Vauxhall Astra E. First of all, I just want to give a massive thank you to Evans Halshaw Vauxhall in Hull for lending me the vehicle for 4 days for testing purposes. I've left the link in the description if you would like to go check out the Astra E and all the other Vauxhall electric vehicles. Today, it is going to be a little bit different. I was actually at the unfortunately postponed Electric Vehicle Festival, and as a result, I'm actually going to be driving back up the M1 again. So it is going to be a motorway test. It's just not on the motorway that I normally use. It will definitely be different in terms of elevation. In terms of actual charge, I've charged up to around 94, 95%. We'll see what we get when we actually enter the motorway. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so 20 miles in, I've averaged 64 miles per hour and 3.8 miles per kilowatt hour. The instant I left the services, I dropped 1%, so it was on 94%. So I've used 10% in order to cover 20 miles, which isn't too bad going. Okay, so 47 miles in, I've just hit the roadworks. I think it's only about a mile or so, but really, really good actually. 65 miles per hour and 4.2 miles per kilowatt hour. So really, really good all around. Okay, so I've just hit roadworks again. So we've done 72 miles, average speed of 64 miles per hour, and again, amazingly, 4.2 miles per kilowatt hour. So really, really good efficiency across the board. Okay, just about to come off motorway now. We've done 84 miles, average speed of 61 miles per hour and 4.4 miles per kilowatt hour. So we're going to have a bit of a discussion on that and when the test is finished. Okay, so the range test is now complete of the Vauxhall Astra Electric. Now, I genuinely can't believe this, even though that we did have two areas where I only could do 50 miles an hour due to roadworks. I guess the nature of British motorways, really. We did 86 miles, 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour efficiency, and an average speed of 60 miles per hour. Now, that is absolutely amazing, really, given the fact that I think the last car even remotely getting that, I believe, was the MG ZS EV long range. I think it got, what, 3.3 miles per kilowatt hour, getting 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour in nearly similar conditions. So 12 degrees. Okay, fair enough. It was quite sunny towards the end of it. But basically, I mean, that is pretty impressive. Okay, so I've just done the calculations regarding the Vauxhall Astra Electric and how well it's done. So if we're assuming we started off with 94% and we finished with 58% state of charge, we're looking at using 36% state of charge. On a total distance of 86 miles, on an average speed of 60 miles an hour as well, and 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour, we're looking at a total available capacity of 53.08 kilowatt hours. This is really, really high. I don't honestly believe that, given the fact that Vauxhall say that it should be 54 kilowatt hours of total capacity. I don't think there's less than a 1 kilowatt hour buffer. However, if you then actually use that number in order to calculate theoretical 100% down to 0% range, we're looking at a range of 238.08 miles. That is absolutely amazing. Given the fact that the WLTP is 258 miles and that is a combined WLTP, bear in mind that combined is at 20 degrees Celsius as well, and that is a really, really good result. So to conclude, this is really, really good. In fact, I honestly cannot believe that this vehicle managed to do 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour on a motorway-based test run. I mean, given the fact that, yes, the state of British motorways nowadays means that essentially you're gonna get a lot of roadworks and things like that. I mean, I tried to maintain 70 miles an hour throughout. That is an impressive result. I don't think any other vehicle that I've ever tested has come even close to this. It would be very, very interesting to see how well things like the Ioniq 38 kilowatt hour do, because if it turns out the Ioniq 38 kilowatt hour is even on par with this, I think Vauxhall could be onto a winner with this car. So I think that is pretty much it. So if you liked the video or you found it informative, please give it a like, dislike it if you didn't. Please comment below what you think about the Vauxhall Astra Electric. And I think that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching and talk to you later.